This is the video of the exhaust leak that I have on my truck. 1 week out of the shop. This was leaking on the first day. It was never checked on the hoist. That's my personal opinion of it. I don't believe it was checked on the hoist. Real good exhaust leak. I'll take it back to Toyota and get that fixed. I'm sure they won't have a problem doing that. But yeah, just another inconvenience of what I have to go back to Toyota and waste my time for. It's probably going to take me about an hour and a half, 2 hours at least out of my day to do this because of travel time, sitting around in their shop and getting my truck in the service bay. I'll time it for just for good fun.